Penn State Schuylkill. My name is Casey. I'm a Lion Ambassador tour guide, and I'm going to bring you along to meet some of my Lion Ambassador friends and give you a tour of Schuylkill. Let's get started. This is my Lion Ambassador friend Messiah, and she's going to tell you a little bit about where we are right now.
Hi, just like Casey said, my name is Messiah and we are in the Student Community Center. So in the Student Community Center, we have our CAF, we have a Starbucks on campus, we have our newly renovated art space, and we have our auditorium and our game room. So now we're gonna go to the Health and Wellness building. Now I'm going to hand it off to my fellow Lion Ambassador, Kyle.
So welcome to the Health and Wellness building right now. We are in the top floor of Health and Wellness. In here you can find offices such as Student Affairs, where they can help you with any of the clubs and organizations that are on campus, as well as, for example, the Habitat of Humanity, Thon, Blue White Society. They also coordinate bus groups where they can take students on trips such as to New York. Recently they did King of Prussia as well. They can also take care of you here as well, whether that would be with counseling to help you reduce your stress, or with disability services as well to make any accommodations for you around campus. Here we also have our nurse's office as well. Now we're going to head downstairs and show you the bottom floor of Health and Wellness. So welcome to the bottom floor of Health and Wellness. Down here, this is our athletic area. So behind me is our gym. Games are free for students to attend, so that's no worry for you here. We also have our weight room down here as well. It is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. That is also free for students to use as well, so they don't have to pay for a membership elsewhere. We also have our staff offices down here, so if you have any questions on how to get into athletics, or if you want to work an internship on campus here, you can talk with our AD down here as well. And then we have our athletic trainer, where she can help you with any rehab or any treatment that you would need as an athlete as well. So now we're going to head to the Saletti Memorial Library, where we're going to hand it off to our next tour guide, AJ. Now I'm going to hand it over to my fellow Lion Ambassador, AJ, to tell you more about where we are.
So this is the Saletti Memorial Library. This is one of my favorite spaces on campus. This is a very calm, relaxing space. Good place for a lot of different resources, but again, it is a great place to hang out. One of our main resources in the library is books, of course, but if you need any rentals such as technology, cameras, computers, they're all available here, even calculators. They're available for you to use. Also in the library is the Learning Center. It includes free peer and professional tutoring and peer academic coaches. That is embedded into the Zuber Slocum Academic Success Program for all first-year students. It's also managed by the Learning Center. That's included in all first-year students' programming. Now, we're going to head over to John in the classroom building. Now, I'll hand it off to my fellow Lion Ambassador, John, who will tell you more about the classroom building.
Hi guys, I'm John. I'm just gonna, like he said, tell you guys more about the classroom building, as well as the nursing suite. So welcome to the nursing suite. So here we have some state-of-the-art sim labs where nursing students like myself get to come and practice in real life scenarios before actually going to help the patients in real hospitals. And then we also have a student lounge area for studying, as well as some classrooms where we learn more in depth about the information we're getting taught, as well as faculty offices, so we can go ask for help anytime. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs, show you around the C building. Welcome to the second floor of our classroom building. We have classrooms as well as laboratories in our STEM wing. In the STEM wing, we have our organic and general chemistry labs, as well as our biology labs, our radiological sciences lab, our physics lab, and our IT and cyber classroom. Students take classes that are labs, but we also have a lot of research opportunities as well. Actually, 18% of our students conduct research outside of class in almost any discipline you can imagine. Information technology, cybersecurity, history, literature, etc. Next up, I'm gonna hand the tour off to my friend Bree, so follow me. This is my fellow line ambassador, Bree, and she's going to tell you guys a little bit more about our next location.
Hey guys, this is our campus green. We have bounce houses, carnivals, and campus fairs here, and plenty more activities throughout the year. So now we're gonna head to our business services building and our administrative building. Over here on our left, we have our businesses services building, which is where financial aid, the veteran and military benefits, the registrar, and billing, which is the bursar. We also have, this is pickup for our digital first bookstore. And now we're gonna head to our A building. All right, so here on the side of our A building, we have police services. They are sworn-in officers that have full law enforcement authority, and they are available 24/7 whenever we need them. So now we're gonna head to the front of our A building. All right, so this is the front of our administrative building. So if you do come to campus, your first stop would most likely be admissions. And then we also have co-op, our career services department, which stems from co-op. It allows our students to get internships and get that real life experience before we even leave college. We also have academic advising, we have alumni relations, we have professors' offices and classrooms. All right guys, so now we're gonna head over to the apartments and meet another line ambassador. All right guys, now I'm gonna hand you off to my fellow line ambassador, Araby, and she's gonna tell you more about our apartment.
All right. Welcome to our Theta Apartments, where we have suite style dorms, and there's 3 bedrooms in each apartment with 2 students in each room. There's 2 bathrooms and a fully equipped kitchen. We also have the 95 Commons area for students and an Amazon hub for our packages. All right guys, now we're gonna wrap up our tour and bring you back to Casey. Alright guys, and I'm going to pass it off to Casey, who's going to go ahead and wrap up the tour for us today.
I hope you had a great time on tour today. If you want to see more information or check us out in person, make sure to check out the website below.